Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your reading lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. I will tell you that today we will be taking our Unit 3 Week 2 test. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the story and the test on the screen. However, it is also made available to you in your folder in Schoology. So let's take a look at it. All right, so this is our Unit 3, Week 2 assessment. And the title of the story that goes along with it is Under the Elm. Remember, the elm is a tree, and I can verify this because I can look at the pictures or the illustrations and I can figure out what an elm is. My name is Mike. Gran is my dad's mom. She planted an elm when my dad was little. The elm was little too. Dad and Gran watered the elm. They wanted it to grow fast. Lots of time passed. The elm got very big. My dad did too. Now Gran and Dad could sit under the elm. They could sit in the shade on hot days. This was a fine place to dine. If I don't know what dine means, maybe there's something, maybe an illustration or a picture that can help me figure out what it means. It looks like they're sitting there eating. So dine means to eat. What good times they had. Gran's elm is still here. Now I swing under it. I see it grow. Dad and Gran see me grow. We still sit under the elm's branches. Granddad and I like to be together. Number one, what did Gran do first? You have three choices, but we're going to select one. A, she planted an elm. B, she watered the elm. Or C, she hung up a swing. So what is the first thing that Gran had to do? So what did Elm do? My name is Mike. Gran is my dad's mom. She planted an elm when my dad was little. The elm grew too. Dad and Gran watered the elm. They wanted it to grow fast. So I see two answer choices that I could choose from. Which one is the best? Which one did she do first? Did she plant an elm? Did she water the elm? She hung up a swing. Does that one belong? No. So we know she either planted it or watered it. So which one did she do first? Number two, what happened after the elm got big? A, Gran and Dad sat in the shade. B, Dad played on a swing. Or C, the elm got small. So what happened after the elm got big? And look at the illustrations as well. And of course, we can go back in the text and have it read aloud to us to figure out what happened after the elm tree got big. Number three, then Gran and Dad, A, climbed the elm. Did they both climb up the elm tree? B, planted a small elm. Or C, dined under the big elm. So what did they both do? Number four, what does Mike do with the elm? A, walks on it. B, runs around it. Or C, swings under it. Okay, so we know that when we first read the story that the person's name was Mike. So what is he doing with the elm tree? Number five, at the end of the story, Granddad and Mike are. So what are they all doing? And that third picture, it can tell us or show us rather what's going on. Are they A, swinging on the elm, B, together under the elm, or C, eating lunch under the elm? All right, for number 6 and 7, you have to figure out the best answer. You have three choices for each. So we're going to figure out the word, the high frequency word that should go on the line. Number 6, Mom and I do the job. A, pretty. B, should. Or C, together. Mom and I do the job. Pretty. Mom and I do the job. Should. Mom and I do the job together. Which one of those makes the most sense? Number 7, the grass is very blank. Is it the grass is very A, green, the grass is very B, water, or the grass is very C, grow? I want you to choose the correct letter that will best complete the sentence. And for numbers 8, 9, and 10, look at the picture and figure out which word describes the picture. Which word names the picture? Number 8 is a bike. Remember, we talked about that long vowel sound this week. What letters do you need there? B-I-K, bike. Number 9, that is a picture of a slide. Slide, slide. You have to choose the word slide. And number 10 is the number 5. You're going to select the answer that has the word 5. All right, thanks for joining me. I will see you next time.